Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video is a lesson about articles, the, a, or an. Coming up. So what is an article? Okay, it is that part of speech that is also called determiner that or which modifies nouns. Okay. And they are the or the and a or an. So to differentiate the two, the is a definite article and a or an indefinite article. Okay. When we say it's definite, we mean the is referring to a specific or particular noun. Okay, while as if we say it's indefinite, then a or an refer to a non-specific or non-particular noun. Okay, now this noun here or that noun there is also a part of speech. Okay, we've talked about that in the previous video in English 1D, so you can always go back to that to learn about nouns. Okay, now let's give some examples to explain them further. Okay, an example for the sun. Okay, the sun. This can be in the beginning of a sentence. That's why the here is capitalized. Okay, the sun. And next, the river. So this can be in the middle of the sentence. All right, the river. The is the determiner or the modifier. It modifies river, which is a noun. Okay, next, the bed. Okay, the modifies bed, which is a noun. Okay, very specific. The bed. Okay, next, the people. The modifies people, which is a noun. All right. Okay, so the sun, river, bed, people are particular or specific nouns. All right, whereas the examples of a or an, let's see, a book, a movie, a story, an eye. Okay, now when we say a book, we are referring to any book. Okay, it's not specific, it's not particular. Any book, a book. Okay, likewise with a movie. Okay, any movie. It's not specific, it's not particular. Okay, a story, any story. Okay, an eye. So any eye. Okay, it can be your eye or anybody's eye. Okay, now going further, let's take a look at this one. Okay, the book. Okay, let's compare it to a book. Okay, if I say the book, I'm referring to a specific, okay, specific or particular book. Okay, comparing it to a book, any book will do. Okay, can you see the difference? And the book, a particular book, a specific one, whereas a book, any book can do. Okay, now the same is true with this one, the movie. Okay, the movie, a movie. Okay, the movie, I'm referring to a specific movie. Okay, can be the movie I've watched, whereas a movie, any movie that I've watched previously. Okay, or a movie that I would like to watch. Okay, now let's take a look at the. Okay, the here can be pronounced the or the. Okay, the or the. All right, now let's take the examples below. Let's read. The teacher, the teacher. Okay, next. The table, the table. Next. The star, the star. Next. The dog, the dog. Okay, next. The lake, the lake. Next. The man, the man. Okay, now let's go to the other group. Okay, let's read them. The apple, the apple. Next. The egg, the egg. Next. The open, the open. Next. The umbrella, the umbrella. Next. The eyes, the eyes. Okay, next. The orange, the orange. Okay, so what do you notice? So we know that the modifies all these nouns. Okay, all right. Now the here is pronounced the. Okay, because look at these nouns. Okay, these nouns, what? They start with what? Consonants. Okay, all right. They start with consonants, so you pronounce the teacher, the table, the star, the dog, the lake, the man. Okay, whereas in the other side, okay, the is pronounced the because the words that they precede start with vowels. All right, okay, that's why they read the apple, the egg, the open, the umbrella, the eyes, the orange. Okay, can you see the difference? Here are consonants and here are vowels. Okay, the and the. All right, can you see the difference now? Good. Let's just have a recap. Previously, we said that the refers to a specific or particular noun. Therefore, the is a definite article. Okay, definite meaning specific, particular. Okay, just like the examples, the teacher. Okay, specific teacher. The table, particular table. Okay, the star or particular star. The dog, specific dog. Okay, the lake, the specific lake. The man, the specific man. Okay, the apple, specific apple. The egg, specific egg. Okay, the open, specific open. The umbrella, particular or specific umbrella. The eyes, specific eyes. And the orange, specific orange. Okay, and remember that all of these are composed of an article and a noun. Okay, an article plus a noun. All right, the article the plus the nouns. Okay, different nouns. All right, so we have finished talking about the article the or the. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Please stick around for in the next video we will talk about the article a or an. Okay, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.